Hey, so it's Steve 87th here. I'm at the Colorado Railroad Museum in Greely, Colorado, and here is the reveal for what my secret build was. So everybody enjoy. All right, so here is the first part of the reveal from the secret build. Oh, looks like a Conrail car pulled into the station. All right, so what do we have here? Well, we have a 85-foot Bud observation car from Walters, okay, with a light pack in it. So let's see what it is. So you can see that it's done up in Conrail blue, and it's the Conrail there. Oh, and the number is SP107107. And its name is the Greely Sparky car. Okay, so we can see that we did some work here. You can see that the thing has interior lights, and it also has a backlight. All right, so what has happened here is, besides doing the paint job and painting the interior of this, it also got an ESU light package. So I used, hold on just a second, I'm trying to get to the right one. Oh, it's not written there. So I used an ESU light package with a red light on the back end of it. The funny thing about this is it is actually DCC. So I added some pickup items to this. One of the items that I showed you was a capacitor, which keeps this thing lit all the time because it only has one set of leads on one of the trucks. So I put in the capacitor. The other thing that's nice about this is, with the controlled lighting package from ESU, this has sectional controls for the lights. So when you go through the functions, you can see you can turn on and off a section at a time for the lights. It's really kind of cool. It has independent controls for the different light sections. The other thing that you can do is put on the light sections where you actually want them. Okay? If you want part of the car dark, part of the car light, you can do all that. So that's kind of cool. You can also address this and consist it as well. It just has a non-motor operating function. Okay, so the other thing, I've turned the lights down a little bit so you can see it better. The other object is that this light is actually powered by the board. So it is also a functioning light that works on DCC. So you can see here that it's on, or you can turn it off. And then you can turn it back on again. And also, by setting up the CVs and all, you can change this into different lighting sections. So there's the lights. There's the car. And if you guys haven't guessed it, this is actually a gift for Sparky 107107 for doing the meet and greet. Okay, so that's the end of part number 1. I hope he enjoys it. Okay, the second part of the reveal are for the other people who are really important in making Greely happen for us. And that would be our hostesses, right? So we know who they would be: John and Sydney, and of course Michelle. So for them, I made hostess trucks. So these are normal Boley delivery vans that had a bunch of decals put onto them and some detailing. I did up all of the silver, and I made up some different decals. Like this one is the CMRM Trucking. And then here we have TSG Trucking, right? For the 107 truck. We also have another TSG Trucking, and that truck is number 106. So maybe you guys can guess who gets what truck.